The Nuances of Fine Art. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a phrase that is not only used in English but revered around the world: fine art. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in conversations. So, let's get started. First, let's split the phrase. Fine here doesn't mean okay or satisfactory. Instead, it refers to something of high quality. Art, as many of you might already know, refers to the expression of human creative skill and imagination. When combined, fine art implies a piece of art that is considered superior in terms of skill and craftsmanship. Fine art encompasses a range of mediums. 1. Painting, like the works of Vincent van Gogh or Leonardo da Vinci. 2. Sculpture. Think of the famous David by Michelangelo. 3. Printmaking, the meticulous art of creating prints on paper. 4. Photography. Not just any casual photo, but those that are considered masterpieces because of their composition, message, or technique. The key takeaway is that not all art is classified as fine art. It's a term reserved for works that are perceived as masterpieces or of superior quality. Here are some example sentences to help you understand its use. 1. The gallery downtown showcases fine art from the Renaissance period. 2. She studied fine art in college and is now a renowned painter. 3. Not everyone can appreciate the nuances of fine art. It often requires a trained eye. It's worth noting that sometimes fine art is used more broadly to describe anything done with a high level of skill. For example, cooking can be considered a fine art when dishes are crafted with impeccable skill and presentation. Remember, context matters, so always consider how and where the phrase is being used. There you have it. The next time you hear the phrase, fine art, you'll not only know its literal meaning but also the depth and reverence associated with it. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!